guys, welcome to SAP. As we know, the original vehicle's lights were designed for urban roads, it with short range and narrow coverage area. So if you are interested in off-road activity, it's necessary for you to have the upgraded roof lights. In previous video, we have already installed the 4-lens roof lights on JETOUR G700. Today I bring in our new design style roof lights. Compared to the 4-lens light, it just has 3 light bulbs. And we match the adhesive type for you. It can hide the whites better. The 3-lens roof light is also controlled by remote. We have upgraded the lighting so it has 3 different modes. If you want to turn on it, press A. If you press B, it will be flash mode. If you press C, it will be sharp flash mode. If you want to turn off it, just press D. Different modes can meet different off-road requirements. The upgraded 3-lens roof lights not only make your G700 imposing, but also light up for you when you're driving off-road at night. It isn't just for look, but also for safety. Okay, that's all today's video. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.